What's up, Beyond the Catch family? I got a special video for y'all today, you feel me? I'm taking my talents to the boat. Okay. So I'm going to this small little pond lake area. I think it has like 3 ponds in all, but all of them connected. It's all the same body of water, but the only thing separates them is a small little island, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, we getting on the boat today, guys. I think it's gonna be very exciting. I fished there before. The lake is promising, you know what I'm saying? They got some big ones in there, some big crappies, some big bass, big everything, you know what I mean? It's secluded. Not many people can get to the back pond. Don't too many people fish the back pond, so that's a plus also. But we gonna get out here and do work. I ain't finna talk y'all heads off. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your boy, and I'll catch y'all on the water. Drill.
They got my foot thing. I forgot it in there overnight.
I bet you there's something on that little patch of grass sticking up right there. It's big, guy. Ooh. Yeah. That's a bowfin. Yeah.
That's a big bowfin.
They can get off if you want to, shit.
I got my pliers on, so you can break it.
You can grab them by the gills, I think. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to retire to that for sure. He bent my hook out? Yeah, he bent it. Be careful. Guys, that's the bowfin I just caught. What you say, about 10 pounds? 7? Nah, about 7, 8. It's heavy, ain't it? All right, appreciate you. Throw that. I don't want no part of it. My boy got something on the line. Working. Oh, no, you gotta go over there. Yeah, just keep the tension on. I got it. I got you. Where you gonna bring it? What is it?
I think it's a boat.
That's a huge.
Oh,
No!
broke off.
That thing was huge, bro. Guys, I caught a crappie. Good monster. We know where they at, you know what I'm saying? We can come back and get them. That's what I was finna do. I was finna empty my other one out.
You got a strainer?
And
You got a strainer?
Alright. Finna put on another Nico rig. Super finesse worm. You good?
Them waters you got cold?
Yeah. I'm on ice. And that pink cooler. Oh! I don't know what. Yeah, that's a bass. That's a bass. That's a bass. Ah!
Heartbreaking, isn't it?
Yeah, we got one on. We got one on. Oh, he ain't no monster like earlier, but he decent. He decent. And he threw my worm off. It's okay. Bro, chill. Chill, broski. He about 1.5 pounds. I'll weigh him for y'all. What you think he weigh, Bryce?